Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And in today's video, I will be guiding you how to log into Axalta employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you want and on the search URL, type in Axalta employee login. Once you press enter on your keyboard, that will take you to this page. Now from here, click on this second link that says Axalta Quoting Systems Login. That will directly take you to this employee login page. As you can see on this interface, there is a dialog box. So on the first text field, that is your username text field, enter your valid username. Once you are done with that, under that enter your correct password. In case you forgot your password, there is a link provided that says forgot password. Click on that and that will help you out to recover your password. If you are done typing your username and your password, click on this login button and on the next page you will be successfully logged into your employee account. So that's how you can log into Axalta employee account. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.